I can do it on the bottom. So our goal we start today is how you can pass the guard or put weight in him and let him take my weight. It's more pressure pass. So the idea is more my weight is in his leg or in his arm. If you need to take care of my weight, he's become more tired than me. Yeah, and I don't need to use too much power. I want to let him take care of my weight more time possible. Okay? So you go build that block. We will start first in the hips and up you work with the head. First we start only in the hips first, okay? So it'll be more like to understand the mechanic. We start under over. Here, in the guard here. So I go that hand under his leg, and if I able to catch his belt here, okay? Because my goal for that hand is control the hips. The best control if I able to take that cross collar. If I take that cross collar here, I think it's more strong because it take here too. But belt it's okay here or here. The idea is control the hips, okay? The idea to have that grip. So this sometimes if the belt is here, is easy this, okay? The second thing, I don't want to keep my arm too high because you can have that pendulum to make it down, okay? I go more low possible. My goal is control here, okay? The second thing, because that pressure I want to be having his hips for controlling hips, I go with my shoulder and his belly, and I need to face that side, okay? I go here, I put my shoulder here, and look for that side. And see, if I'm starting to do this already in the center, it's too easy for taking me in the triangle. Yeah, that arm is too weak to be spread that way. So this why every time when I start that position, come back here, in front. So every time when I start that position, I want to put him a little bit in the half guard situation. Yeah, the leg a little bit more here. So here that hand is more strong. Now I go focus on that hand. Okay, that hand I need to stop because you see the danger position is take this and go for the triangle. Okay. Yeah. So this is why I need to focus on that leg to control between my legs. And if I have like that angle, I become more strong. And see, when I stretch this, I already look to that side and my shoulder go in his belly, okay? So in the same time, I have the arm low here and I put my weight on him. And now it's important how high my hips go, okay? If I go my hips too high, my balance is not good, okay? It's easy to follow that side. And too low, I don't have pressure. So you need understand for yourself how much you need to lift your hips, but the head's that side, okay? Involve that leg, hips up, and now I bring that hips close to me to start walk to the side until I pass the knee. When I pass the knee, now I can start already come back my leg to don't give space to him. Yeah, now I can pass this side. Do again. For start, just for training, okay, just for understand, you can start here and the half guard, okay? Just for start understand the mechanic. Inside, outside. And see, I already go involve his knee for more difficult for catch my arm. And I already go to the side in that position. Okay, in the same time, cut the hips and lift my hips here, okay? Control the hips and just walk. When I pass the knee, I start come back and move his hips to that side. It's difficult to put that knee inside again. Okay, from here, you come back. Okay, now if when I start do this, and sometimes he still have the leg to lock me this. Okay, I need squeeze, so I am to squeeze and just lift my knee back. Okay, go here. I walk. Turn that side. Take my knee. I might put. Take it. The same idea. Come back. Control the hips first. Okay, I control the hips first, and now I go to the upper body. Okay, and now I can go the shoulder line. We control the hips first, and then we can go to the shoulder. Okay, but for now, the more important is control the hips. So after, if you understand, you can start even the stand position like that way. I can already go in that position. Okay, I walk, squeeze, take it, walk, Or sometimes I just walk to that side until he's turned all his knee to that side, okay? Sometimes he's like too long or flexible, so I need to walk more to that side. So from here, I start pass to that side and come back. Go again. Control. Control. One, I walk, take it, go. Two, I walk more until his knee turn to that side, okay? Until his knee now is turned to that side. Now it's more easy to take the leg out, and now I go under his hips. Okay, my goal is keep his face that side. And after. Okay, your partner needs to feel the weight all here. Okay, if it's not weight, it's not here, there's something wrong. Okay, so let's take the part. Let's do it. More like how to escape from that leg. So in that situation, she start go stand up, but she need to take the angle first, put that leg down and go under, over. Yeah, that go under, that over. And then like we talked before, control the hips low, so that I cannot use that leg. Should use down, okay? And here she can start. For example, if that the guy does not have that leg so flexible or not mobile too much, or don't take too much that leg, it's easy, just start passing. Sometimes it's just go open more as possible and already take the leg. It's important to come back under the knee, it's more like leg drag before the upper body, because if it's not, it's create too much space here. Yeah. Just take the angle. Next one, now I start lift more that leg. So now she needs to start. See, the important is my knee here, okay? If my knee is too much outside here, she cannot pass it. So the focus is need to go like over my knee. And she's not squeeze my knee, and now I'll do the escape. Now I have less mobility with my leg. It's the same thing go there. And the third situation is more when she starts passing, and I try to lift, because if go too much, I can do this. Yeah. So every time when she feel like I go too much that way, she needs to start come back for that direction. And now start escaping. Many times when the guy is already good in the guard, you need to do that one. You need to come back to that direction first, because it's changed my knee direction. And the first I'm here, and I still able to lift my foot and lift my hips to roll. But when she start back to my leg, is now I cannot do that movement anymore. It should start become heavy. Okay, and my knee, sometimes even can do more than this for my knee come to that side. It depends where is my leg. Bem pra lá. For example, I know she's coming, I right start stop the shoulder and the hips, so she cannot pass for that side, and she's not come back for that. And sometimes I can move more and see how all my hips is that direction. Now it's more easy to escape that one. Yeah. So this is why sometimes you need to move more that direction. You can start see, go first here, sometimes is already pass that way, and sometimes you need to squeeze to take the leg, or sometimes you need to move more to that direction. If you have difficulty, go start from the knee first that way, okay? I'll let you know. But when you start understanding more, you start stand up. So this is why the guy in the body can already wait for the shoulder and drop the weight and be here, okay? Because my next goal is I need to start see if I'm able to lift or not. Yeah. So she's need to adapt the weight. Vai voltando. See now the angle, now it starts to become heavy. And I'll take it. So that position is not the position you need to go fast. It's important to keep the weight here in my hips. The first goal is control my hips. So after take time to take the leg out. You don't need to go so fast. The important is let the guy deal with your weight all the time. And you can stay there in half position. And for counter that situation, sometimes what happens, what I can try to do, because I know it's past that way, is start force more that leg in the shoulder and start face again. Yeah, from that way I can start the triangle, all that attack. Okay? So this is why when this happen, every time when just feel like I start to use that leg, you need to move the side now, the head side. okay? And now the pressure in that leg, if it's possible, get this more deep possible, okay? And you know the danger thing is the triangle. So this is why that hand is very important. Don't let the guy take out for take the triangle. But because the weight hit is hard, even she need to use the foot, so have like that arm free again, she can use. Okay, and the same thing before, you don't need speed because you want to control my hips. Don't want to give me space, okay? So don't try from here, just already take the leg out because take, I'm already come back. Okay, your goal is keep the leg here. I'm not able to take my leg, yeah? So more the guy had more flexibility, more pressure you need to do it. And from here, we start passing. And see, anytime put the knee on the ground because the weight need to be here. And the same thing, I face that side now. Okay, go again. Up here, and now I start create space. And she needs to start move the direction. Head to that side now, and the weight going that shoulder now. Yeah, now become head. Don't let me take that leg out. Keep the head close, okay, and pass more possible by that. If the leg is still there, and now you can use the hand to take, go, okay? But don't need to already take the leg out. Another way I can defend that position too is just change the head direction, okay? Change the direction. So this is why it's important now to keep pressure that shoulder, okay, before I take that leg out, okay? That important thing, for example, if I start escape too much, she can change to that side again. She look for that side, and the weight comes to that shoulder again. And she can start pass and pass to that side, okay? So the key is change between that shoulder to that one. When you pass that direction, that shoulder. If I start pass too much, that press too much on that shoulder, now she needs to change direction. Okay, be careful with that arm, so you can use the foot, and don't touch the knee and the ground, okay? So the weight becomes all in my leg and my hips. And the same thing, if I take it and want to move, she's already close the gap from here, okay? So you start to like, now I teach we go the program for pressure pass. So we start in the leg first and start to learn how to put the weight. And I put my butt lock or upper butt pressure. This why you don't need speed. The more important is understand how much I can lift my hips to become heavy and how much can walk it, but never touch the knee on the ground, okay? And never lift too much my hips. So you start feel good or you know how to put the pressure the right way. So this is important, the guy in the bottom, to start after when you get the position, try lift here, try move here so you can start feel the position.